that are able to combine multiple processes into a single integrated system. Where, speaking of CRM, the lines between this key type of software and ERP will become increasingly blurred in 2015. Then the next emerging trend is intelligent machines. As the boundaries of technology are continuously tested, artificial intelligence is becoming an increasingly present reality. Machine learning is an essential component of big data and many open source projects. Machines capable of learning will prove key in getting the greatest possible insights out of big data. Then the next trend is continuous delivery. Formerly disparate cloud products are now being connected in a service chain by platform as a service offerings, enabling businesses to receive fast, reliable updates to a variety of applications in the cloud. 80% of savvy developers say continuous delivery, including automated code deployment, actionable data from production apps, and a rapid delivery of new updates to users is essential to success of any company. So continuous delivery is the key mantra of today's market. Now we see various issues and trends in the field of computer. Software bugs, software copyright and licensing, open source software, shareware, public domain software, multi-organizational software developments, software upgrades, and global software support. These are the various concerns and issues of computer software. Now we see each one in detail. Software bugs is known as defect in a computer program that keeps it from performing as it is designed to perform. For reducing the impact of software bugs, these are the tips. Register all software so that you can receive bug alerts, fixes, and patches. Check the manual or README files for workarounds. Access support area of the manufacturer's website for patches, and install the latest software updates for minimizing the impact of the software bugs. Then the next one is copyrights and licenses. Most software products are protected by law using copyright or licensing provisions. In some cases, you are given unlimited use of software on one or two computers. In other cases, you pay for your usage. If you use the software more, you have to pay more. Then open source software. Software freely available to anyone in a form that can be easily modified. For example, some widely used open source software packages like Linux OS, FreeBSD, Apache, SandMail, Perl. Open source software is often more reliable and secure than commercial software. Open source systems can contain hidden costs, particularly for user support or solving problems with the software. For example, software type in context of type, example, operating system, Linux, application software, OpenOffice, database software, MySQL, internet browser, Firefox, internet messaging, Jabber are the open source applications or softwares. Then shareware, freeware, and public domain software. Shareware and freeware. Software that is very inexpensive or free but whose source code cannot be modified. Public domain software means shareware and freeware that is in the public domain. Then software upgrades. Software companies revise their programs and sell new versions periodically. Revised software may or may not offer any major additional capabilities. Revised software contains bugs or errors. Software upgrades usually cost much less than the original purchase price. Global software support. Vendors face the challenge of providing adequate support for their software customers in all locations of the world. ટ્રેન્ડ ઓફ આઉટસોર્સિંગ ગ્લોબલ સપોર્ટ ટુ વન ઓર મોર થર્ડ પાર્ટી ડિસ્ટ્રીબ્યુટર્સ. તમે મને સાંભળ્યો કમ્પ્યુટર સોફ્ટવેર ઇમર્જિંગ ટ્રેન્ડ વિશે, તે બદલ આપ સૌનો હું આભારી છું. આભાર.
Sandhan, All Gujarat Integrated Classroom.
સેટેલાઇટના માધ્યમથી જોડતી કડી એટલે સંધાન.